When you hear the name Harley Davidson, certain images immediately come to mind. Long-stretch highways, heavyweight cruisers, chrome-laden machines, and the unmistakable sound of a big V-twin. For more than a century, Harley built its reputation on tradition, appealing to riders who wanted to embody the spirit of the open road. But with the Pan America 1250 ST, Harley Davidson ventures into new and daring territory, redefining what it means to ride a Harley in the 21st century. Cycle World's first ride review of the Pan America ST reveals a machine unlike anything the brand has produced before. Agile, powerful, and packed with modern technology, it may very well be the sportiest Harley ever made, and a motorcycle that signals a fundamental shift in the company's future. The bold step into adventure touring. Adventure touring is one of the fastest-growing segments in motorcycling. Riders today want versatility. A motorcycle that can handle highways, city streets, and the occasional dirt road. For years, Harley Davidson avoided this space, leaving it to European and Japanese manufacturers like BMW, KTM, Honda, and Ducati. That changed with the release of the Pan America platform, which marked Harley's serious entry into ADV. The ST variant takes that foundation and fine-tunes it for a specific audience. Instead of trying to be a dirt-dominating beast, the Pan America ST leans heavily towards sport touring performance. Its 17-inch wheels and road-focused tires make it better suited for asphalt, mountain switchbacks, and long-distance touring than for rocky trails or desert crossings. This balance makes sense. Most riders in the ADV category spend the majority of their time on pavement anyway, and Harley has tailored the bike for exactly that. Handling. A Harley that likes to lean. If one thing stands out in Cycle World's ride impressions, it's the handling agility of the Pan America 1250 Saint. From the very first corners, the bike shows a willingness to turn in quickly and hold a line with precision. For riders accustomed to Harley's heavier cruisers, this responsiveness is nothing short of shocking. The chassis design, sport touring geometry, and electronic suspension work together to create a motorcycle that feels planted yet lively. It rewards riders who enjoy spirited cornering, turning mountain roads into playgrounds rather than obstacles. In short, the Pan America ST doesn't just tolerate bends, it thrives in them. Revolution Max, the heart of the beast. At the center of this transformation is Harley Davidson's Revolution Max engine, a liquid-cooled V-twin that represents a radical departure from the air-cooled motors that defined the company for decades. This engine is designed not just for power, but also for versatility. Cycle World notes that the motor is rev-happy and eager, delivering strong acceleration and smooth throttle response. Unlike Harley's traditional torque-heavy cruisers, the Pan America ST encourages riders to climb through the rev range. Paired with a gearbox that shifts cleanly and without fuss, the engine makes the motorcycle feel far more modern than many would expect from Harley. This is not just a new engine, it's a new identity. It signals Harley's recognition that to compete globally, it must evolve beyond nostalgia. Electronics, a complete modern package. No modern adventure tourer is complete without a suite of electronics, and Harley has delivered here as well. The Pan America 1250 ST comes standard with multiple ride modes, tailored for different road conditions, cornering ABS and traction control, offering confidence in varied terrain, wheelie control and advanced stability systems, enhancing safety while keeping performance fun. Adaptive electronic suspension, which automatically adjusts preload and damping on the fly. Adaptive ride height system, which lowers the bike at stops for rider accessibility. This last feature deserves special attention. Adventure bikes often intimidate riders with tall seat heights, but Harley's adaptive ride height makes the ST approachable for a wider range of motorcyclists. This innovation demonstrates Harley's willingness to think differently, addressing long-standing complaints in the ADV category. Strengths. where the Pan America ST shines. Several qualities stand out from Cycle World's review as clear strengths of the Pan America ST. Road-focused agility. Its sport touring DNA gives it handling prowess unmatched by Harley's traditional lineup. Rev-happy engine. The Revolution Max delivers smooth, exciting performance that feels thoroughly modern. Complete touring package. Standard features such as adjustable windscreen, heated grips, skid plate, and crash protection make it road trip ready out of the box. Technology. From advanced rider aids to adaptive suspension, the electronics rival anything in the segment. Comfort and practicality. The ergonomics and equipment balance touring comfort with sporty performance. Together, these strengths make the Pan America ST not just a competent adventure tourer, but a genuinely appealing sport touring machine. Weaknesses. Not quite an off-road warrior. That said, the Pan America 1250 ST is not without its flaws. Suspension travel. With around 7.5 inches of travel, it falls short of hardcore ADV machines, limiting its off-road potential. Ground clearance. Modest clearance means obstacles that true adventure bikes handle easily may become challenges. High compression concerns. The engine's compression ratio raises questions about long-term durability under demanding conditions. Chassis design. Using the engine as a stressed member reduces weight, but could present repair challenges. Side stand placement. The side stand's position was flagged as less than ideal, potentially impacting stability when parked. For riders seeking a motorcycle to tackle extreme off-road adventures, these limitations may be deal breakers. But for those who spend most of their time on pavement, they're minor trade-offs. The right rider for the Pan America ST. The Pan America 1250 ST isn't trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, it's designed for a specific type of rider. A sport touring enthusiast who wants Harley character with European-style performance. A touring rider who values comfort and modern features, but doesn't need extreme off-road ability. A new Harley customer who might never have considered the brand before, but is drawn to its innovation. A crossover rider from brands like BMW or Ducati, who wants something unique without sacrificing technology. By targeting these riders, Harley broadens its customer base and ensures relevance in a competitive global market. What this bike means for Harley Davidson, perhaps more important than the Pan America ST itself, is what it represents for Harley Davidson as a brand. This is a company historically tied to heritage, yet here it is producing one of the most technologically advanced motorcycles in its lineup. It's a statement that Harley isn't stuck in the past.